Welcome to the world of color-changing bulbs. Today, we'll guide you through the easy setup process and address some common questions to ensure a smooth experience. Our color-changing bulbs offer a range of features that set them apart, with the ability to select any color as well as any color temperature between 2200 Kelvin and 4000 Kelvin. You'll have unparalleled control over your lighting. But that's not all. These bulbs are also dimmable, allowing the ability to fine-tune each fixture's output. And for added convenience, we've included 6 zones, allowing you to change groups of fixtures at once. This is perfect for coordinating lighting across different areas of your landscape. Setting up your color-changing bulbs is as simple as inserting them into a powered fixture. Once the bulb flashes, use the RF remote to select your desired zone. If you ever need to reprogram your zones, it's a simple process. To reprogram all bulbs, press the All On button on the remote 6 times. For a single zone, press the corresponding zone button 6 times. When reprogramming a single bulb, follow the same steps as reprogramming a single zone, ensuring only that specific bulb is powered on. An important note is that the bulbs cannot be reprogrammed on the first power cycle. The system must be powered off and turned back on to reprogram the bulbs. Here's a helpful tip to avoid frequent reprogramming. Strategically pair every other light to a specific zone. This way, you can easily switch between different lighting schemes without the need for reprogramming. Keep in mind, the remote has a range of 30 feet. Stay within this distance for optimal control of your lights. And there you have it, a simple guide to setting up and troubleshooting your color-changing bulbs. Illuminate your space effortlessly, one subtle shade at a time. Available now for a customizable outdoor experience.